Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to episode 2. So we heard what letter the W sound makes, and we also did the weather song. So we know we're going to be doing something with our weather this afternoon. So first, I figured we would start off like we always do, our morning starters, okay? So we should have this paper out for us today. So you're going to need your paper and you're going to need your pencils. And let me just bring it a little closer. There we go. All right, let's get started. So our first thing we do is put your name on the top where it says my name is. Okay. So today is, well, the weather's been a little crazy, hasn't it? So it's like partly sunny, so we can do that. And it also is partly cloudy. Okay, so we have the first two there that we have to circle. All right. Hopefully we'll get sunshine pretty soon. But let's look here. Letter of the day. They want us to color in the letter, but we know what we do. We always trace inside, nice and easy, just like that. It's like an upside down M. And the neat thing is the capital W and lowercase w are the same, except they're smaller, just like the U and the V that we did recently. Fantastic. Okay. Circle all the W's you see in this sentence. So I'm going to read this sentence. The whale likes water. The whale likes water. So we're going to look for all the W's. You find your W's first, and I will find mine. And circle them, okay? All right, so how many W's did you find? Let's count. 1, 2. There are 2 W's that we found in our sentence. All right, so let's go back down to trace the letters. There are 1, 2, 3 capital W's dotted for you to trace. And there are 1, 2, 3 lowercase w's for you to trace. So with your pencil, take your time and stay on the dotted lines. Good job. We want it to look like we did them ourselves. There we go. Voila. I finished mine. All right. So the next thing we have to do, well, first, let's count how many total W's we did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Counting, a little math here. Make an X on 11 fish. So we have to count out 11 fish and put an X on them, like that. Okay, are you ready? 1, and count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 X's on 11 fish. How many, let's count together, do we not have X's on? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fantastic. And the number of the day is 11. So let's take our pencils and just trace the number 1 and another number 1. That makes 11. All right. So put your pencils down. We're going to move our morning starters out of the way. And now we're going to do like an art class, a real quick one anyway. So we have a watermelon here, and it's up this way. And a watermelon starts with the letter W. So what we have to do, though, is these are not in the right places. We have to cut our 3 square rectangles out, and with them, we have to make this puzzle look like this, the whole watermelon. So what I want you to do is take out your scissors and glue, because we're going to need them. I'm grabbing this right now. That's why I'm making this move. I'm so sorry. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my scissors, and I'm going to make this into 2 pieces of paper. All right. Just like this. Okay. So we have 2 pieces of paper right now. And I'm going to try and do this just to keep it up there for us. All right, so we need to find the first half of our watermelon. Does this side match here? Nope. How about right here? Does this look like the end of the watermelon? Nope. How about this one? Does it have the same side of the curve? Yes, it does. So that means we're going to cut this one out first. Oops, sorry. All right, I'm going to go on the dotted lines. There we go. And then we're going to glue that piece we just cut out together on the first rectangle. So we're putting our watermelon together. Voila, there we go. Okay. So now we have to figure out which piece is the middle of the watermelon. Well, this looks like it has the end of the grind, so I don't think that can fit in the middle. What about this piece? Yes, this piece does. It goes right in the middle. Alrighty, I'm going to cut my piece out here. This is like art class because you are making a picture and you're going to be coloring it as soon as we are done putting this picture together. So we put glue in the middle rectangle, and let's put this piece to make it match. Oops, sorry. All right. Let me fix this a little bit. That's funny because it's not really... Okay, that's good enough. All right, so that means we only have one more piece left, right? And that's the other end of our watermelon. So let's cut along those dotted lines. Oops. Go. Alrighty, you're doing good. And we're going to glue it on the last rectangle. And there it is. There's our watermelon. I don't know why this one seems a little crooked, but it's okay. So think about a watermelon. We know watermelon is red on the inside, so why don't you get your red crayon out? Let me find my red crayon, there it is. First you're going to color the top one, just like this. There we go. Okay, and then you're going to color the outside. Right here. All right. So if we color the outside of the watermelon green, that means we need to color the outside of our puzzle pieces green. Right? Just like that. There we go. And color the inside of this watermelon red. There we go. Oh, boy. This is making me want to have a watermelon. Oh, I love watermelon. And guess what we forgot to do? We forgot to put our name on the top. So I'm going to grab my marker. You have your pencil. And just make sure you practice writing your name, okay? And there is our watermelon. Okay, I'll be back for episode 3.